Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I will show you guys how you can choose specific set of wallpapers from your desktop pictures library. Not your photos gallery, but rather the desktop pictures, the default desktop pictures. So as you'll notice in the background I have a specific set of wallpapers that are constantly changing every 5 seconds. Now you might say, what's the big deal? You just go in the settings and choose a specific set of wallpapers. Well, actually, if you do go into the settings, go to System Preferences and Desktop and Screensaver, you'll notice that for desktop pictures, you do have the option for change picture and random order, but there is no option for choosing specific set of wallpapers. So I can choose this, but I can't just choose, just 3 of these or just 6 of these or just 8 of these. There is no option for that. So why would you want to do that? Well, because not all of these are great. Don't get me wrong, most of these are pretty good looking, but not all. So if you're like me, you want to customize your Mac and choose the best desktop pictures, this video is for you. Let me just reset everything and I'll walk you guys through the process. Okay? Alright, first of all, you want to go into Finder. Go into your Mac, your Macintosh HD drive, and then go into Library and scroll down until you see Desktop Pictures. Now this is where all those pictures that you saw in the Desktop Pictures option in the settings, this is where all those pictures are located. Now you want to choose the pictures that you really like and put them in a folder. So I have this desired wallpapers folder, and these are all the pictures that I narrowed down to and chose. So once you have the folder, you want to open the folder and just copy all the pictures that you have chosen. And now going to pictures. Now before you copy paste, you want to make sure that all the pictures that you have, put them in a separate folder. So I have a separate pictures folder that I've put all my pictures inside. And once you have done that, just copy paste the pictures. So I've already copy pasted the pictures. Now go back into System Preferences, open up Desktop and Screensaver, and go to Folders. You'll notice you have the Pictures folder, and if you click on it, you'll see all the pictures that you have chosen. So here are all the pictures that I chose, and now you can choose the change picture option and random order. I prefer random order, that's just personal preference, and you're good to go. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you learned something new, and as always, I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.